Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to awaken a champion in Raid Shadow Legends. Awakening in Raid Shadow Legends boosts champions beyond their normal level. Rank and ascension by unlocking blessings and stat increases. Only rare, epic, legendary, and higher champions can be awakened, and their awakening can exceed their ascension, so make sure they're fully ascended first. You also need the Altar of Souls in the Bastion, unlocked around level 42. To awaken a champion, confirm the rarity and ascension meet the requirements, then gather the required souls. Perfect souls awaken a champion to a specific level instantly, while split souls increase awakening on one level at a time and must be applied sequentially. Souls can be earned from Iron Twins Fortress Petals, events, or purchased in the Mystic Market. Once ready, go to the Altar of Souls, select your champion, apply the soul, and confirm the awakening. Afterward, pick a blessing to complete the process and enhance your champion's performance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.